Hi guys, in this short video, we are going to see a very simple tutorial to reset Windows password using a utility called PC Unlocker. You can use PC Unlocker on all type of Microsoft Windows, including server operating systems. It can also reset your password if you are using Microsoft account on your PC. You need to follow a simple procedure that I'm going to show you in this video. So let's get started. Download and unzip PC Unlocker file. Log in with any other available computer and find the link in description to download PC Unlocker. As you can see, I have already downloaded in my computer. Now extract this downloaded file so you can get the PC Unlocker.iso image file. Let's burn this ISO image on USB drive. Make a bootable USB using ISO to disk utility. In step number 2, we are going to make a bootable USB using a free tool called ISO to disk. Let's download it first. You can find the download link in the description. After download finished, double click on downloaded file and follow simple steps to install it. I will leave this option checked and click on finish to launch this utility. Now plug a USB flash drive into your computer. Click on browse button. Locate the PC Unlocker.iso file. Select PC Unlocker.iso file and click open. Now select this option, choose your USB from the list and leave the rest of the options as it is. And then finally click on start burn button. Now before you click yes, make sure you have backed up all important data of your USB on a safe place. Now you can see we have successfully created PC Unlocker bootable USB. Now we are all set to reset our Windows password using PC Unlocker USB. Set computer to boot with PC Unlocker USB. Now we are on step number 3. In this step, we will set computer to boot with PC Unlocker bootable USB. To demonstrate this all password reset procedure, I have Windows 10 machine installed on VMware. Now before you specify the USB drive as first boot, plug the device into a USB port of your locked computer, which is a virtual machine in my case. Now power on computer and press F2 to enter the BIOS setup utility. In my case, BIOS enter key is F2. It might be different in your case. It depends on the manufacturer of your BIOS. Now using arrow keys, move to the boot tab. Bring removable devices on top using minus and plus keys. To save the settings and exit from BIOS, press F10 and hit enter. Now your computer will boot from password reset utility flash drive. And finally reset Windows password. Now here in step number 4, we are finally going to reset our Windows password. After it boot from USB flash drive, the PC Unlocker utility will start automatically and you can see a very simple to follow screen will appear. Now on this screen, select same database file which stores all passwords for Windows users and then select target user from the list. Click on reset password button. Then click yes to confirm your action. A success message will appear. Click OK. And finally restart your computer by clicking on restart button. And after reboot, you can log in back to your computer without any password. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, feel free to post them in comment section below.